Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export an existing webinar campaign and import it into another webinar installation. Okay, so this is perfect for if you have a campaign that you like in terms of you have it configured how you want to, all of the content, all of the settings are how you want it, but you want to import it onto another installation of WebinarIgnition on a different domain. Okay, this was a request from a number of our customers, so we wanted to integrate it. So let me show you how to do that. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the campaign that you want to replicate or you want to import into another installation. Okay, and once you're inside that campaign, you're going to see a button that says Export Campaign. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and you're going to notice it gives you all this code, right? So I'm going to copy that. Okay, just hit Control C and copy all that, or you can right click and then click Copy. And I'm going to go back into this area. So say that I was on a different WebinarIgnition installation. I'm going to create a new webinar. And I'm going to click on Import Campaign, and you're going to right click or Control V and paste that in. And this is a import test, and I'm going to create that. And now it has all of your settings in terms of what template you use, the registration stuff, the thank you page, the live webinar. It copied all of your settings over onto this campaign. So again, this is great if you have a campaign that you really like. It has all the settings, but you want it transferred over to your to another domain. Okay, so that is the import export feature of WebinarIgnition.